Good morning, guys! Today is Tuesday. What's today's date? December 9?
I think so.
January?
January 9.
January 9 here in the US, Florida, and with my husband. There's storm coming in this area late afternoon, and we are now heading to Sam's Club to buy grocery and also to prepare for our work trip on Thursday. I had a meeting today, na? What is?
Yes. I'm gonna get the mail.
Yeah. Okay, see you around. Hey guys, kamusta kayong lahat? Actually, nagpe-prepare kami para sasama ulit ako sa work trip ni Chop, ng husband ko. And we're gonna be traveling from Florida to North Carolina, and then North Carolina to Tennessee to deliver yung RV. And then from Tennessee, guys, magdadrive naman kami to our place in Arkansas. So I'm excited. Guys, kamusta inyo yung panahon? Grabe, napaka-gloomy, tapos ang windy. Look at that. Love, look at the love.
What's that?
Look.
The clouds?
Cloudy. It's super cloudy. To Walmart. I know, Sam's. We're gonna go to Sam's. Hi, my beauty. My beauty.
Hello, my love.
So we're gonna go and drive. Look at the weather. Hi guys, look at the weather. Oh my gosh, there's a storm coming in Central Florida. Parang sabi nila may tornado daw, pero sa ibang area sa Florida. But you can see guys, wala siyang ulan. Medyo mainit ang panahon, pero sobrang dilim ng langit at mahangin po. Ayan, so yung paligid. So nandito kami ngayon sa Chase Fifth Third Bank. Nandun yung asawa ko sa loob. So kakagaling lang namin mag grocery shopping. Ayan, medyo magulo pa yung aming sasakyan. Ayan, so nag-grocery na kami kasi baka ma-stranded kami sa biyahe para makapagluto tayo. So, yan, kamusta po? Kamusta naman po? Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana okay kayong lahat. Balita ko merong 7.1 magnitude na earthquake sa Davao area. Stay safe po sa inyong lahat. So you guys, after ng grocery shopping namin, pupunta na kami, mag-gym muna kami. Then after the gym, uuwi kami ng maaga kasi kailangan na sa bahay na tayo bago pa dumating yung lakas na hangin at yung bagyo. Yung bagyo kasi guys, ang daan niya is mga late ng hapon, siguro mga 4 PM sa Central Florida. Pero ramdam na namin yung hangin, yung lakas ng hangin. So sana hindi liparin yung bubong namin, guys. We work out until I don't want hydro massage because I have my something. See, it's sunny guys, pero gloomy weather. There's a storm coming up. Ayan. So we are here in Lake Mary, Florida. Let's see. And finished our workout.
Yeah, fitness.
Planet Fitness.
So let's see what's in here, love. Okay, Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. I think we can go with there's no.
Yeah, Pizza Hut.
Okay, Pizza Hut.
Noodles. Tijuana Flats. Bagel King. Pack and ship.
I'll make noodles.
Vinci.
We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, guys. We just finished our gym workout today. And we are going to buy thank you cards to the people who attended our wedding. So we're gonna send them thank you cards as well. And then there's my husband. Hi, my baby. See ya! Guys, tingnan nyo yung langit. Sobrang dilim. Oh, ang bilis pati ng movement. But there's no rain, no love? No rain.
Yet.
Yet. Okay. Where's the vlogger wife? Come on, hubby. Oh, love, it's raining na. Love, it's starting to rain na. Love. Love. You have a vlogger wife. Are you shy? Are you shy?
Yeah, I am. Oh, let's go next.
Are you ready to be a vlogger now? Huh?
As ready as I'm gonna be.
Then from now on, you're gonna see our faces. I'm just kidding.
You're my Valentine.
Valentine's is coming. Oh, we're gonna go there. Set. Go straight.
Dayspring.
Huh?
Dayspring.
Dayspring?
We see Dayspring.
What Dayspring?
Oh, way in the back. See, it says live your fate. Cars in here.
Yeah. I think we can have something like generic love. Not because there are males.
A heartfelt thank you, but I don't like the rainbow.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
LTGB.
How about this one? This one, love.
Yeah,
I like it.
yeah. I like it too.
No?
It's kind of simple, but
Note cards. Thank you so
how
much.
many? 15?
Yeah, 15.
Yeah.
See guys, so
Oh,
how
this
much
one.
is this love?
From the new Mr. and Mrs.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yes, look. Thank you from the new Mr. and Mrs. And then we can add something in here. Russell. Oh, we have something to
Look on the
Print.
back, it'll tell you.
remember. We have something to stick, love. Thank you. Also,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
the sign.
That's right, yeah, we can stick it in. Inside or outside.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is good.
That's
oh,
good.
Love. Juice like my leg.
No, it's not blueberry. We know that, my beauty. So this is Hobby Lobby. They have all kinds of crafts, design, decorations. So if they have something in here, get more. So it's really nice in here.
Christians.
Ah, is this Christian? Oh, this is a Christian store as well. Lavo, Valentine's. For
See all the
Valentine.
plants.
Huh? Are you gonna see that?
See all the plants?
Hmm. Are you gonna go there?
You can while I'm going and paying for this.
No, I'm okay. That's not real.
No. But you can show them if you want.
I'm okay.